In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Teams mentions. Mentions are a simple but very useful way to get someone's attention in a chat message. Instead of just typing a message and hoping the right person notices it, you can directly tag them so their name stands out and they're more likely to see the conversation quickly. This is especially helpful in busy team chats where messages can move fast. To get started, open Microsoft Teams and go to Chat. This is the area where you can send direct messages or participate in group conversations. Once you're in the correct chat, click into the message box where you normally type your message. Make sure you're in the conversation where you want the person to be notified, because the mention will only apply within that chat. Next, type the @ symbol immediately followed by the person's name. In other words, start with the @ sign, then begin entering their name right away. As you type, Teams will recognize that you're trying to create a mention. This is the key action that tells Teams you want to take a specific person rather than just write plain text. After that, look for the pop-up that appears. Teams will usually show a list of matching people based on the name you entered. From that pop-up, select the correct person. Once selected, their name will be inserted into your message as an official mention. This is important because simply typing someone's name without choosing them from the pop-up may not create a true mention or send them the proper notification. At this point, you can continue writing the rest of your message around the mention. For example, you might place the mention at the beginning of the message to make it clear who you're addressing, or include it in the middle if you're referencing them as part of a larger conversation. Either way, selecting this person from the pop-up is what makes the mention work correctly. A helpful tip is to slow down for a second and confirm you've chosen the right person before sending the message, especially if multiple people have similar names. That small check can prevent confusion and make sure your message reaches the intended person. And that's all there is to it. To use Microsoft Teams mentions, go to Chat, type the @ symbol followed by a name, and then choose the right person from the pop-up. It's a quick feature, but it makes communication clearer, more direct, and much easier to